Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to share my monthly favorites. For those of you who don't know what monthly favorites are, it is a video where I will share the products, beauty and non-beauty products which I enjoyed throughout the month. I will also share the products which didn't work for me in this month as well. I will be doing this video every month. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out any videos. I have a mixture of some body care, makeup, skincare and some random favorites. So let's start the video without any further delay. The first product I really enjoyed during the month of September is this Parachute Advanced Body Lotion. This is the coconut milk variant. This is how the bottle looks like. It's a 400 ml bottle and this retails for only 275 rupees. This is specifically made for dry skin, and I do have dry skin and I've been really enjoying this because it's very lightweight. Normally when you apply body lotions, it can be a little sticky and uncomfortable during the day, but this is really lightweight and very comfortable on the skin. So I've been really enjoying this. This is available on Nykaa, Amazon, everywhere. I will put a link for this on the description box. It has got a very mild fragrance. It is very refreshing and it is not something which will bother you. The next product is this Bath and Body Works fragrance mist. This is how the bottle looks like. It is in the variant In the Stars. I love this mist. I do not use deodorant sprays much, but this is a very beautiful fragrance. It's very musky. It's really long lasting and it is a very warm scent. This will last even on your clothes for like 2 days. On your body it will last for like 4 to 5 hours and it's a very pleasant smell. I would highly recommend this if you are looking for a good fragrance mist. This retails for 1295 rupees for 236 ml. The next product is a shower gel. This is the Body Shop shower gel in the variant British Rose. This is one of my favorite shower gels of all times. I have bought this again and again. It retails for 325 rupees for 250 ml, which is quite inexpensive. The fragrance is very refreshing. It smells of roses. Your bathroom will also smell really good. This lasts for like at least 2 months for me, and the fragrance is not really long lasting, but I don't mind that. At least it will last for 2 hours and it is very gentle on the skin. The next product is a skincare product. This is a face wash by Nykaa. This is also a new launch by Nykaa. This is the saffron and honey variant. They have mentioned that this is for glowing skin. I had shown this in my nighttime skincare routine and in a Nykaa haul as well. So I wanted to update you regarding this face wash. I have been really enjoying this. It's very gentle and it doesn't dry my skin out, and it also hasn't caused any acne on my face. So I have been really enjoying, and I would highly recommend if you are looking for an inexpensive and cruelty free and paraben free face wash. The next product is a hair removal product. This is the Wheat hair removal cream. This is how the tube looks like. This is for sensitive skin, and this retails for 220 rupees for 100 grams. I got this from Amazon. I got it on a discount for around 180 rupees, which was a good deal. During the lockdown, when we were not able to go to salon or anywhere to get our hair removed by waxing, I was trying shaving and waxing. The problem with me is that when I shave my legs, I get very irritated skin and rashes. So I wanted to try something like this, and I got this from Amazon. It's very good for sensitive skin. I have used this at least thrice and it hasn't given me any rashes or those tiny bumps which you get after shaving. So I have been really enjoying this. I mainly use this for my legs. For my arms I can still use my razors, that's okay. It doesn't cause any irritation, but for legs I have been really enjoying this. and this is very inexpensive comparing to going to a salon and getting waxed. This is like 180 rupees and this will last you for at least a month. Fragrance in this is also very pleasant. It's not that chemical smell which the hair removing creams normally has. So I would highly recommend if you are looking for a good hair removing cream. The next skincare product is one of my favorite. This is the Vilva Rosehip Seed Oil. This is how the bottle looks like. This retails for 530 rupees for 30 ml. I have been using rosehip oil for very long time now. It is very good for anti-aging and hyperpigmentation. I used to use the rosehip oil by another brand. When I saw this on Nykaa, I recently got this and I've been really enjoying this. It's very lightweight. It does the job of a rosehip oil. It hasn't caused any acne to me. I have a sensitive skin, so I'm very careful when it comes to skincare products. So this is really good. It is an Indian brand. It is cruelty free also. So if you are looking for a good rosehip oil, I would highly recommend, and this is less expensive compared to other rosehip oils which is available in the market. The next product is a makeup product. I have only one makeup product. This is the Nykaa lipstick in the shade Cocoa. This is the Ultra Matte lipstick. This is the one I'm wearing right now. It's a very pretty berry color with red undertones. This is how the color looks like. It's so pretty. It will literally brighten your face. Even if you have a very minimal eye makeup, this will look really good, and this will look good on all skin tones. I normally don't wear dark color lipsticks that much, but this is something which I wait for an opportunity to wear. Formula on these lipsticks are very comfortable, very lightweight, and it has got a velvety matte finish which looks really good. This retails for 550 rupees, but I got it on a discount around 450 rupees. So wait for a sale and then get your hands on this. This is also a cruelty free brand. The next product is a random favorite, is this watch band which I am wearing right now. This I got from Amazon. This is how it looks like. It's a pink color. The shade name is Pink Sand. You will get this on Amazon. This retails for around 599 rupees. But again, I got this for around 450 rupees for discounts. They have lot of different colors. This are exactly duplicate of the watch bands you will see on the Apple Store website. That is very expensive. That retails for around 3000 to 4000 rupees. So compared to that, this is really affordable, and the quality is really good. You can also clean this really easily because it's made of silicone. I've been really enjoying this color. It's a very pretty girly color, and I will link this product in the description box. I have two products which didn't work for me this month. The first one is this Nivea lip balm. I normally like their formula, but I don't know what is it with this. It's very oily. The first thing is that it doesn't last on the lips for a long time. Then once you apply this, and after some time, it will make your lips more dry. So I don't know why it is like this. I have used Nivea lip balms before. I have never faced this issue. So I am very disappointed with this product. This is in the variant Watermelon Shine. The last product is this hair serum. This is by Good Vibes. This is their Argan Oil Hair Fall Control Vitalizing Serum. This is how the bottle looks like. This retails for 275 rupees for 50 ml. I got this product last year, but I did not use it for a very long time, and last month I started using this. The problem with this is that first, the fragrance is very odd. I did not like the fragrance, and the second part is it does not do the job of a hair serum. It is very slippery and it doesn't tame the frizz. Once you apply, after like 15 minutes, it's gone from your hair. So I wouldn't recommend this product to anyone. So those were my monthly favorites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any video suggestions, let me know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this from me, please subscribe and hit the notification bell right next to it. I will see you in my next one.